All right, here we are on our dashboard. So the objective is to create a new website with minimal effort. So I already have a demo website. So here is how it is looking like rather. So this is my demo web which I've just uploaded. Now we want to use the template kit to make our life much more easier. So the first thing is we go to the plugin, install. So on the plugin, we're going to add new, and then we're looking for Elementor. Okay, Elementor. So okay. Pardon my mistake. That's Elementor. So I'll install. So after installation, I will activate. Then we go to the second plugin. So actually we'll be needing the Elementor and the inverter to achieve this feat. So the Elementor, it enables you to easily drag and drop while designing. So we activate. Waiting for the activation. Okay, cool. So let's go for the second one, which is the inverter plugin. So here is it. We install. Okay, activate. So that's done. So we look at this side, we'll look out for elements, and from elements we go to install kits. So from here, so we want to install kits, and what we do is, if we have a premium template, we can click on here to upload the template kit. But here we want to we go to the template kit up here and want to play with the free kit that comes with the inverter plugins, free kits. So here we have various kits that are available that we can work with. Quite a number of them. So the only challenge here is that the free kit doesn't come with the header and footer, but you still have a nice design anyway. So for example, whichever one you want to go with, you do a preview of the template you're looking at. Please, it's loading. So this is an example. This looks cool. So we have about us, home, contacts, we have single service, product landing, services, about us. So these are all the available templates that comes with it. It's still loading. So what we do is we exit. Let's assume this is what we want to use. So we hit on the install kit. So it's waiting for it. So the kit has been installed. So we go back. So from there we view the kit. This is what has been installed for us. So the next thing is we need to import all the templates. One after the other. So we import the home. Let's import everything. So you can see this is saying that this has to only work with the Elementor Pro. We don't have the Pro, we only have the free version. So going for the Pro give us the access to do much more. So we are importing all the templates one after the other. So waiting for it to finish importing. So we need to pay attention here. It's saying that we need to install some requirements. So when you hit on the installment, you can see it's saying that we need to have the Elementor Pro, which we don't have. Okay, so we can uncheck that and install the remaining two. Okay, so we close it. We'll come back, waiting. So we have this import is done. Really don't know what happened there, so I think we have to import again. Let's import. I don't like this, so we're using this as our home one. We import this as about us. We import this for services. Sorry about that. So the home is ready. About us, about to finish, service is ready. So let's bring in contact us. I think we'll be working with those for now. The home, about us, contact, and service. So this implies that we're going to create 4 pages, one for each. So one for home, one for about us, one for services, one for contact us. So let's go to pages, click on pages. We can remove this guy, we can trash it. Okay, so let's leave the privacy policy, just leave it for now. We're going to add. So we're adding a page. So we just give it a title, we call it home, publish. Okay, we go for the next page. We add. Then we call this about us. Publish. Easy and nice. We go to the next one. Add new. Okay, we call it services. Publish. Okay, we go to the next. This should be our last page for this demonstration. Okay, we have contact us. Okay, publish. Okay, we have our 4 pages ready. Okay, so bear in mind this is what our site is looking like presently. So we want to have what we have imported from the template. So we go to the first one, we hit edit. So on the edit, we'll hit here, edit with Elementor. So we click this plus sign here, we click this plus, we click on the folder here. So the folder, we go to look for the templates that we've imported. Remember those templates that we imported, these are the templates here. So here we have the home. So this is our home, we just say insert, yes. Okay, we're waiting for that to load. So here we are. So it's coming live. just a little moment. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, it's showing in this width because we need to put this on full width. We go to settings down here and we see the page layout. We click on Elementor full width, so that will spread to fit in the entire page nicely. Okay, so we can see everything is coming out cool and nice. Now you see having our, so you can see this is very cool, and we can update. So this now becomes, we click down here and we can view page. So this is what our website is looking now. Cool, isn't it? With a minimal click. So if you have the premium, which is the pro version, or the pro version or the pro template, that's the Elementor kit template, the premium one, you are going to have the header, and you can see we don't have header and we don't have a footer. So this is more like a demonstration to show you how fast you can build a website with a minimal click here and there. So all you need to do is to start changing this to suit what you want. So join the evolution, blah blah blah. So let's assume we want to change this. Here we click on this button and then we click here and we start changing. Yeah. Sorry, technology. Sorry, what's wrong? Technology of solar is awesome. See, we have changed that. So whatever it is, you just move into the template and start changing whatever you want to change. This is technology. We can call this solar. So here we can say money. So let's say money saving, stuff like that. So you can see under some few clicks you are making some changes, and you can change all these pictures to suit whatever you want. Go to sites like pixel.com. You can change the picture. So let's assume I have a picture. We can change this. Just click here, you click on the section, go to style, and then you can see the picture. You can choose the picture and change it to whatever you want. So so let's say I want to check on I don't want to go outside, I want to change the picture. Let's assume this is a picture I've uploaded. I can just hit insert, so you can see that picture has changed to this very one. So any picture you have, you can change it and suit whatever you want, and before you know it, your site is good as ready. And for every changes you are doing, ensure you hit your updates. So the home page we assume is ready. We go back to our dashboard. So if we are dealing with a premium template, the next thing is to go to the theme builder. The theme builder, you come here. The theme builder has an inbuilt where you can bring in your header and footer. And because you are using a free template, we will be restricted. You can see saying Go Pro. We won't be able to do that. So we need to go back. So if we are on the Pro version, we'll be able to bring in the header and the footer as desired. So more like it. So we are done with this. We quickly go to the next one, which is the let's say about us. So this is about us here. I click on edit. So edit with Elementor. I'll move all the way. So hold on for it to load. Okay, here is it. We click on the middle folder. So from here, from the middle folder, so I go to my templates. Nice and easy. Let's look for the one with about us, the first one. Insert. Yes. Okay. That is nice and easy. Our about us is ready. So remember, we need to go back to this settings. Down here, go to settings, page layout, Elementor full width. So Elementor full width, wait for it to load. You can see we have about us ready. Nice and easy. We update. Our update is done, and you can see with this concept, under a few clicks, you have a powerful website ready without you doing virtually nothing, just like a click. Once we know what we are doing, so that's it. So the same concept you use to bring in other pages, that is the contact us, that is the service, and once before you know it, your website is nice and ready to go. So the beauty of template kit is to enable you build your websites under 10 to 15 minutes, a very professional looking website with minimal efforts, and the best part is you don't have to code anything. Everything is nice and easy. So with some other plugin that you'll be bringing in subsequently, you have a full and robust website. That is it. That's all about it. Thank you for watching. All the best. Cheers.